Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to create a number series in Excel using the series dialog box. This method allows you to generate sequences with the full control over increments and types. Start by opening an Excel spreadsheet. In any cell, enter the first number of your series. For example, type 1 in cell A1. Select the cell where you entered the number, then open the series dialog box using a shortcut. Press Alt-F-IS in sequence. In the series dialog box, you will see multiple options. Series in, choose rows or columns, depending on your selection. Stop value. Set the last number in the series if needed. Click OK, and Excel will generate the series in the selected range. That's how you create a number series in Excel using the series dialog box. This method is useful for structured data entry and automation. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more Excel tutorials.